Yes, good morning. This is the third part of chapter Chemical Coordination and Integration plus one. Next is adrenal gland. Adrenal gland is located on the anterior part of each kidney and it consists of two type of tissue. The central located tissue is known as medulla and the outer portion contain the tissue known as adrenal cortex. You can see in the diagram adrenal gland transfer section is there in which we can see that cortex and medulla portion differentiated. Adrenal gland consists of two main portion again adrenal medulla and cortex. Medulla secrete the hormone adrenaline and noradrenaline and adrenal cortex release the hormone corticoids. First, adrenal medulla. Adrenal medulla release the group of hormone known as catecholamines and the catecholamines contain adrenaline and noradrenaline. These hormones are released in stress condition or emergency condition, hence they are known as emergency hormone. And sometime we can represent this hormone as 3F hormone, that is fear, fight and flight. These hormone increases the heartbeat, alertness and pupillary dilation, and it also erect the body hair known as piloerection. Sweating also increase with this hormone. Next, adrenal cortex consists three different layers: zona reticularis, zona fasciculata and zona glomerulosa. Reticularis is the inner layer which release a hormone known as androgen. Fasciculata is the middle layer which release a hormone known as glucocorticoid, and glomerulosa is the outer layer which release a group of hormone known as mineralocorticoid. Yes, this is the function of adrenal medulla and cortex hormone. We can see here adrenal gland is dissected into two different area, cortex and medulla. Medulla portion release epinephrine and norepinephrine, that is adrenaline and noradrenaline, and the function of adrenaline and noradrenaline is that it help in the breakdown of glycogen first, increase blood glucose second, increase blood pressure third, increase breathing rate fourth, increase metabolic rate fifth, and it also change the blood flow pattern. And in cortex area two group of hormone is there, mineralocorticoid and glucocorticoid. Mineralocorticoid help in maintaining the mineral ion concentration, that is sodium ion concentration is retained by mineralocorticoid, and it also increase the blood volume and blood pressure, whereas glucocorticoid help in the breakdown of protein, fat, and it help for the conversion of glucose, and immune system is suppressed by glucocorticoid. Next is pancreas. Pancreas is a flattened organ, lies in abdomen and posteriorly and slightly inferior to the stomach. It is a composite gland. Composite gland means it has both the function, dual function, that is exocrine function as well as endocrine function. Pancreas consists of group of cells known as isolate of Langerhans. These isolate of Langerhans are further divided into alpha cell and beta cell category. Alpha cell release the hormone glucagon and beta cell release the hormone insulin. You can see the function of glucagon and insulin in a single slide. Pancreas release glucagon and glucagon stimulate the glycogen breakdown, means glycogen breakdown into glucose. It increases the blood sugar level, whereas when insulin is released from pancreas, then glycogen formation stimulate, means glucose combine to form glycogen. Storage of glucose take place and it lower down the blood glucose या blood sugar level. So insulin decreases the blood sugar level and glucagon increases the blood sugar level. Next is testes. Testes are present in a cavity known as scrotum outside the abdomen of male. Testes perform dual function, as testes is known as primary sex organ because it help in the production of sperm, as well as testes secondary function is to produce hormone known as testosterone or androgen. You can see in this slide testes transfer section is given and in testes we can see seminiferous tubule tube-like structure is there, and when we dissect the seminiferous tubule structure, we can see the seminiferous tubule contain the basement membrane, the Sertoli cell, and interstitial cell. Yes, testis. Testis composed of seminiferous tubule and interstitial tissue. Interstitial cell produce a hormone known as androgen, mainly testosterone, and the function of testosterone is to form a person or to have the development during puberty. For example, testosterone increase the muscle mass, strength, and increase in height, growth of facial and pubic hair, deepening the voice, male hair pattern, sperm production. Ovaries. A pair of ovaries is located on the abdomen of female. It is a primary female sex organ, and it produces ovum during each menstruation cycle, as well as ovary produce a group of hormone known as steroid, estrogen, and progesterone. The function of estrogen is synthesized and secreted by ovarian follicle, and it is responsible for the development of ovarian growth, ovarian follicle growth, and appearance of female secondary sex character take place with the help of estrogen. Next is progesterone. Progesterone is secreted by corpus luteum. It regulates the female sexual behavior. It prepares the uterus for pregnancy and mammary glands for lactation. Progesterone support pregnancy. Hormones of heart, kidney, and GI tract. Heart wall, arterial wall secrete a factor known as arterial natriuretic factor, which decreases the blood pressure, and kidney has juxtaglomerular cell which release a hormone known as erythropoietin, which stimulate the formation of RBC, whereas gastrointestinal tract secrete four major peptide hormone known as gastrin, secretin, cholecystokinin, pancreozymogen. Yes. Gastrin act on the gastric gland and stimulate the secretion of HCl, gastric juice. Secretin act on the exocrine part of pancreas. It stimulates the secretion of water and bicarbonate ion. Cholecystokinin will act on both pancreas as well as gallbladder. In pancreas, it increases the secretion of pancreatic enzymes, bile juice, and bile juice. And gastric inhibitory peptide inhibit the gastric secretion, or gastric juice secretion is inhibited by gastric inhibitory peptide. Thank you.